Gazzi! How are you? Awesome! Alright, today we're here to learn the letter E. So we've got A, B, C, D, E. Good job! Alright, to do the letter E, what we first got to do is, like the letter C, you're going to move this one over our hand, but we're not going to go down. We're going to stay like this. Then the second hand, we're going to over here. And then to make the third bit, we're going to lift our leg up onto our knee. So look, I'm an E. Okay, so E. What word begins with E? Yeah, that thing I like to eat for breakfast. Eggs. That's right. So, eggs, like this. Egg. Can you say egg with me? Egg. Good job. So we've got eh. So that's what the sound we're going to make for this bit. Eh, eh, eh. Say it with me now. Egg. Excellent. So, egg, egg. What do we do with the egg? Well, before we cook it, yeah, we break the egg. Break the egg. Awesome. So let's go back to the beginning. So let's go. E, E, E. Egg, egg, break an egg. Awesome. Alright, are you ready to do it with me? Cool. So, ready? 3, 2, 1. E, E, E. Egg, egg, break an egg. Fantastic work, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.